Have you ever stared at your pancake syrup wondering why the bottle looks like an old-fashioned woman? Today, we are uncovering the specific marketing strategy that made this shape a global icon. To understand the design, we must look at the brand's origin in 1961. The creators wanted to evoke a deep sense of homeliness and grandmotherly affection to sell their comfort food product effectively. The character represents a matronly woman with a pulled-back bun and a wide dress, chosen specifically because that silhouette felt familiar and safe to consumers in the early 60s. This strategy worked so well that commercials featured a woman with a kind, grandmotherly voice, reinforcing the idea that the syrup inside was homemade and lovingly prepared. However, the material itself has changed significantly over time. While the original glass bottles launched in 1961 with that distinct shape, they were eventually replaced by plastic versions. Today, the brand is owned by Conagra Brands, and you can still recognize the syrup instantly by its unique shape, which has transcended generations of breakfast tables. Ultimately, this was a stroke of marketing genius where the container itself became the advertisement, proving that comfort food needs a face with a warm and welcoming smile. So there you have it. The bottle is a piece of marketing history designed to feel like home. What other strange food packaging do you think has a hidden story? Let me know in the comments.